Choose your trailer hydraulics. Scissor hoist/lift kits. Tie rod cylinders. Dump trailer pumps and remotes. If you're looking for new trailer hydraulics, the Trailer Parts Outlet has you covered. We carry scissor hoist and lift kits, tie rod cylinders, and dump trailer pumps and remotes for a variety of trailer types. If you're building a new dump trailer for your business, or the lift kit on your current trailer has stopped working, look through our online catalog today. You can find the right parts to get your trailer back on the road, and we can help you select products that will work the way you need them to on a daily basis. If you have questions, please contact us right away. Get sales and news directly in your inbox. Choose your scissor hoist/lift kits. Dump trailer hydraulic scissor hoist/lift kit 6,000 pounds PH 310. $1,434.99. Dump trailer hydraulic scissor hoist/lift kit 12,000 pounds PH 416. $1,679.99. Dump trailer hydraulic scissor hoist/lift kit 16,000 pounds PH 516. $1,549.99. Dump trailer hydraulic scissor hoist/lift kit 20,000 pounds PH 520. $1,639.99. Dump trailer hydraulic scissor hoist/lift kit 22,000 pounds PH 620. $2,344.99. Dump trailer hydraulic scissor hoist/lift kit 24,000 pounds PH 625. $2,549.99. Dump trailer hydraulic scissor hoist/lift kit 24,000 pounds PH 630. $2,645.99. Every dump trailer needs the right scissor hoist and lift kit in order to function properly on a regular basis. If your hydraulics breaks down, you could be left with a dump trailer full of debris that can't be used until new parts are ordered. At the Trailer Parts Outlet, we keep plenty of hydraulic scissor hoist and lift kits in stock, so that you can find what you need, have it shipped quickly, and get to work on repairing your trailer. We have options for various trailer sizes and capacities, and if you're not sure which kit you need, simply contact us online or give us a call. We look forward to helping you. Choose your tie rod cylinders. 3.5x24, dump trailer hydraulic cylinder tie rod. $224.99. 3.5x30, dump trailer hydraulic cylinder tie rod. $249.99. 3.5x36, dump trailer hydraulic cylinder tie rod. $274.99. 3.5x48, dump trailer hydraulic cylinder tie rod. $299.99. 4.0x36, dump trailer hydraulic cylinder tie rod. $299.99. 4.0x48, dump trailer hydraulic cylinder tie rod. $448. Tie rod cylinders are an integral part of every dump trailer, and if you have cylinders that are broken or worn, then your trailer isn't going to be of much use to you or your business. At the Trailer Parts Outlet, we carry hydraulic cylinders in various capacities, giving you plenty of options when you need to order new parts for your dump trailer. Whether you're building a new trailer, or you're repairing one that's been sitting for some time, you can find the parts you need in our online store. Order today, and please let us know if you have any questions. Get sales and news directly in your inbox. Choose your dump trailer pumps and remotes. KTI dump trailer 2-button pendant. $59.99. KTI dump trailer hydraulic pump remote. $124.99. Dump trailer KTI single acting hydraulic pump, power up gravity down, with remote. $399.99. Dump trailer KTI double acting hydraulic pump, power up power down, with remote. $449.99. KTI starter solenoid. $64.99. Loda 4 function wireless transmitter. $210. Loda 2 function wireless transmitter and receiver. $300. Loda 4 function wireless transmitter and receiver. $450. Every dump trailer needs the right pump in order to function properly, and if your pump or remote isn't working like it should, the Trailer Parts Outlet is here to help. We carry a great selection of dump trailer pumps, remotes, transmitters, and more, making it easy to find exactly what your trailer needs. If the starter solenoid in your trailer has gone bad, or you can't seem to get the trailer bed to lower after you've raised it for dumping, look through our online catalog for the appropriate replacement parts. If you're not sure which part will be the best fit, contact us right away, and we'd be happy to help.